Hello, my name is Julie Belitza Rosa Sanchez. I have 28 years old. This is my curriculum, and I am very interested in the position of Turkey. I have good people skill, I have good communication skills, and my English level is intermediate. I also have a driver license with no problems, a first aid diploma, and knowledge in international cuisine. I love to travel and my new people. I am eager to learn more about British tours and travel tours. I believe my skill and enthusiasm make me a good candidate for this position. My phone number is 320-342-5681. Thank you.